Good morning students, welcome back to GK and aptitude class, and today we will start chapter number 18 of aptitude, making dice 1. In each of the following, a net plan of a dice, that is cube, is given. A plan is given. Okay, you have to fold the net along the edges in your mind and take the dice which can be made from the given plan. You have to fold this into a dice. Okay, and accordingly you have to take the correct dice. So the answer will be B number. Okay, you have to fold it in your mind and then you have to find out. The answer will be number B. Okay, number 2 is again you have to fold this dice. The answer will be B number. Number 3, again you have to fold and the answer will be A number. Okay, so you have to find out which is the top and the bottom. Okay, accordingly you will get the dice, the proper dice. Okay, next 4 number, also when you will fold and you will get this D number is the answer. Okay, in the same way number 2 is also there, you will do it on your own. Okay, you have to take the correct dice. You have to do it in your mind, you have to fold it. Okay, next we will move on to rotating dice. Okay, in each of the following question, the second die is obtained by rotating the first die horizontally to right by an angle of 90 degree. Observe the dice and answer the following question. Now the first one is, the faces of this die show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this dice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is marked. Number of on the face opposite to the face is showing 4. So the number on the face opposite to the face, so to the face showing 4 is, you have to write what is in the opposites of 4. What is which number is there in the opposite side of 4. So 2, 3 and 4 is given. Okay, you can see 3 is on the left side of 4. So when it is turned like this, 3 is on the left side, so 4 is behind. So what is the opposite of 4? 5 number is the in the opposite of 4. So this is C number is your answer. Number 2, the face of this die shows symbols. You can see the symbols. Okay, so symbol on the face opposite to the face of rectangle, you have to find out the symbol. What is the symbol opposite the face of the rectangle? So you can see the hash. Okay, on the left side is the star mark. So when it is turned like this, hash goes behind. Okay, so what is the opposite side of this rectangle? Hash. Okay, this symbol. So hash is the answer, number C. Now in B number, each of the following question, the second die is obtained by rotating the first die horizontally by left by an angle of 90 degree. Observe the dice and answer the question. The faces of this die shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. Okay, you have to find out the number on the face opposite to the face showing 2. Okay, so when it is rotated, you can see when it is rotated, what is on the face opposite to 2. So when it is rotated, the answer is 4. Okay, so 2, the opposite of 2 is 4. So next one you will do on your own. Again in this page, this also you will do on your own. Rotating dice I had explained to you the direction it is showing. On the same direction you will rotate and find out what is on the opposite side. Okay, next rotating dice 3, this also you will do on your own. You will observe the dice and then you will answer accordingly. Okay, next all these you will do on your own. Next we will move on to chapter number 19, that is ages. Answer the following questions. Mr. Gupta is 2 years younger than 4 times her daughter Namrata. Mrs. Gupta is 2 years younger than 4 times her daughter Namrata. If Namrata is 8 years old, how old is Mrs. Gupta? So Mrs. Gupta is 2 years younger than 4 times her daughter's age. So daughter's age is given 8 years. So 8 into 4 is 32 and 2 years younger it is given. So we will minus 2. The answer is 30. Dinesh is 3 years older than 3 times his daughter Kanika. If Kanika is 12 years old, how old is Dinesh? So Dinesh is 3 years older. Okay, that means we have to do plus 3 and 3 times his daughter's age Kanika. So his daughter's age is 12. So 12 into 3 is what? 36. So 36 plus 3 is 39 is the answer. Manish is 11 years old. He is 1 year younger than 3 times his sister Rashmi. So what is the age of Rashmi? We have to do one equation here. Manish is 11 years old, isn't it? So suppose we are taking the age of Rashmi as x. So 3x minus 1. He is 1 year younger, isn't it? 3 times his sister. So 3x minus 1. So when we will bring this 1 this side, it will be plus 1. So 11 plus 1 will become 12. And 12 is equal to 3x. So x is equal to what? 12 divided by 3. So the answer is 4. Now number 4 is Mansi is 13 years old. Her mother is 2 years younger than her father. Mansi's father is 3 years older than 3 times Mansi's age. Find the ages of Mansi's parents. So Mansi's age is what? 13 years. Her father is 3 years older than 3 times Mansi's age. So 3 times Mansi's age is 13 into 3 is equal to 39. And 3 times older means 39 plus 3. So his father's age will be 42. And her mother is 2 years younger than her father. So if her father's age is 42 now, so we have to do minus 2. The answer is 40. So number 5, 6, 7 and 8 you will do on your own. Next we will move on to chapter number 20. Answer the following questions. Numbers. Okay. Answer the following questions. How many crores make 1 billion? Answer is 100. Write the smallest 5-digit number formed by using the digits 5, 0, 2, 4 and 8 only once, containing 2 in tens place. We have to put 2 in tens place. Okay. So the answer will be 40528. Okay. 40528. Next, arrange the Roman numerals in ascending order. You have to arrange it. First will be 5. Okay. Then 15. Then 20. Then 26. Number 4 is Anuj is 12 years old and Tanuj is 10 years old. Find the sum of their ages. Express your answer in Roman numerals. The answer is 12. Okay, the answer is 12. Anuj is 12 years old and Tanuj is 10 years old. Find the sum of their ages. So the answer is 22. Okay, we have to write this 22 in Roman numeral. Okay. Number 5 is estimate the difference of 25,765 minus 93,082 by rounding off each number to the nearest 100. So when we minus these two, the answer is 16,383. We have to round it off. Okay. So the answer will be 16,400. So this is the answer. Next you will solve on your own, children. Okay. We will do up to 20 chapter only. Rest chapters we are decreasing from our syllabus. Okay, reducing from our syllabus. So up to 20, chapter number 20 is coming for your aptitude. So this is the last chapter. So children, you will solve this and your syllabus is ending here. So study properly. Okay. All the best, children. Till then, take care. Bye and thank you, children.